everyone, welcome back to This, That, and the Other Thing. I'm Jen. If you'd like to learn how to make this chicken bacon ranch casserole with tater tots, continue watching. So what we need to start is 3 cups of chicken, which I bought a rotisserie chicken, chopped it up. You need about 7 or 8 pieces of bacon cooked and break it up. 2 cups of cheddar cheese, a can of cream of chicken soup, and some sour cream. And we also need a package of ranch dry dressing. First we're gonna spray the pan and set the oven to 350. Let it warm up a little bit, and as I said, this is pretty easy. We're gonna put basically everything in this bowl except for the tater tots. So first we need, let's see, 3 cups of chopped chicken, and this is probably a little bit more than 3 cups, but we like chicken. So there's the chicken, and that's some nice bacon. We like bacon too. And let's see, the sour cream, full container, 16 ounces. And this is something that, just like a lasagna or any casserole, you can make it ahead and put it in the refrigerator. And when you cook it, instead of the 35 to 40 minute recommendation, you might want to put it in there for an extra maybe 10 minutes just because it's cold coming out of the refrigerator. It looks kind of messy, but it's going to be yummy. Cream of chicken soup. And you can always double this if you have a big family to feed, or you can double it and put one in the freezer. And one of those nights you don't feel like cooking, you just take it out, pop it in the oven, and you're good to go. Okay, so now we're going to put in the ranch, dry ranch, and it can be any brand, it doesn't have to be a specific. Just sprinkle that in there. And then 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I like the milds. You can change whatever type of cheese you like. If you like Monterey Jack or mozzarella, you can use whatever you prefer. We like the cheddar, so that's what we're going to go with today. Oops.
It's okay.
Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, we like cheese too. Actually, we pretty much like everything. So we're going to mix this up. And of course, I left all my spoons at Josh's house, so I'm going to use this. And just mix it up nice. Once this is mixed up, we're going to add the tater tots and then just stick it in the pan and cook it for about 35 to 40 minutes or until bubbly. And I think that you guys are going to like this. If you like bacon and chicken go great with ranch. So if you prefer to cook the chicken, you can do that. You can boil it, you can fry it, whatever you want. I like the rotisseries because they do come with a little bit of flavor, so you don't really have to add any, spices or anything else to the mixture. Just have to make sure it's mixed up really well. Doesn't it smell nice? Actually, the house smells like bacon. Okay, so that's all mixed up, and now we're going to add in the tater tots, and I have a 5-pound bag because we have a lot of people here. So I'm going to use half of it. You're supposed to use a 2-pound bag of tater tots. So you just put them in there, and if you want to, you can lay them on the bottom. I just want to kind of mix them together so everything is flavored, but you can do that if you prefer. And so we're going to mix this up, pop it in the oven, and we'll have dinner in about 45 minutes. If I had a bigger bowl, it would probably be a little bit easier, but this is gonna work. So we're gonna put this in the pan. And I know we haven't done any cooking videos in a while, and my partner in crime, Kathy, is not here today, so unfortunately you have to deal with just me, but I think you're gonna be happy with this recipe. And if you do like it, let us know. You can also, if you like, you can, work with it a little bit. You can add peppers, you can add onions, whatever your preference is. But this is pretty nice because the kids like it, and it's a good nutritious meal, and you don't have to fight with them to eat it because everybody loves bacon and everybody pretty much loves chicken. Spread it out, and maybe we should just put a little bit of cheese on the top. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. I was thinking the same.
We love our cheese. So we're just going to put some cheese on the top, and she's almost ready to go in the oven. And since I cooked a whole pound of bacon, I think I'm gonna put some more bacon on the top. If you cook the bacon in advance, it does save you some time. Same thing with the chicken. If you cook that in advance, it does save some time. So, you know, just kind of work with it. And you can use turkey bacon, regular bacon, flavored, you know, whatever your preference is. Everybody likes a little something different. So we all know what our family does and doesn't like. So that's another something to think about. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. It'll look a little different when it comes out, but you get the gist of that. And we're gonna put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until bubbly. And we'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, we're gonna take it out. Look at that.
Yum.
Smells good, looks good. So we took it out of the oven and we're gonna let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes just to cool off enough to cut it, and we'll let you know how it is. So it has cooled down and this is what it looks like when it's done. Believe me, it tastes better than it looks, and I think you're really gonna enjoy it. Please give us a like, comment if you'd like to. If you'd like to see any other videos, let us know, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Bye-bye! And today we're gonna make this chicken bacon ranch casserole with potato puffs. So
Tater puffs!
with what?
Tater tots.
Oh. Do I have to say the whole thing over again?
Potato puffs. Okay.
If you'd like to learn how to make this,
You gotta hold it up more.
what do I gotta say?
Continue watching.
Okay. Hi everyone!
No, if you would like to.
That's all I gotta say?
Yes.
Okay. Continue watching. Oh, bloopers.
I know, that's what I
Okay.
was thinking about. Up here.
Like
I'm feeling
this?
Like here.
Like here?
Yes.
If you'd like to learn how to make this chicken bacon, what? Where do you want me to put it? Okay, like
Yeah, like this.
Okay, ready? If you'd like to learn how to make this chicken bacon ranch casserole with tater
How are you gonna
tots.
hold it up?
Oh, okay. Continue watching.